Have you found your private content, photos, videos, or creative work posted online without your permission? Good news, you can take it down legally. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to file a DMCA takedown notice step by step to remove stolen content and reclaim your digital rights. Before filing a DMCA notice, ensure you have the rights to the content. If you created the image, video, text, or artwork, you automatically own the copyright. Take screenshots, note URLs, timestamps, and any identifying information. The more specific your evidence, the stronger your takedown request will be. You need to send the DMCA notice to the website's hosting provider. Use WAS lookup tools to find this. The platform itself, like Twitter, Reddit, or YouTube. Search engines like Google if the content appears in search results. Include the following in your notice: your full name and contact information, a description of the original copyrighted work, the URLs of the infringing material, a statement in good faith that you didn't authorize the use, a statement under penalty of perjury that your claim is accurate, your electronic or physical signature. Send your notice via email, online forms, or postal mail. Keep track of confirmations or responses, and be ready to follow up if needed. Dealing with multiple infringements? At Leak Content Removal, we can file takedowns across dozens of sites and platforms at once, saving you time, stress, and headaches. How Leak Content Removal can help. We offer digital cleanup services to protect and enhance your online presence, from content removal to privacy protection. Filing a DMCA takedown notice is a powerful way to protect your work and your privacy. Take swift action, stay organized, and don't hesitate to ask for expert help when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, give us a like and subscribe. Need urgent help with takedowns? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. Your privacy and rights are worth defending.